I was born and raised here, and my grandparents actually lived right there on the base of Spirit Mountain. This is home. This is everything to me. This is the ancestral homeland of the Yamhill Kalapuya peoples, even before the reservation was established here. This is where they lived. This is how they thrived. The land took care of them. Since time immemorial, Spirit Mountain would have been a place that our people would have gathered, where youth would have went to connect with their Tamanoas, to seek that power, to help them identify where they were going in life. Our family came from Northern California, or Rogue River and Umpqua. So when we came here, the mountain provided healing and comfort to people that really needed to make this their new home. Spirit Mountain represents who we are as a people. When we're out in the community, you see that logo and people see Grand Ronde. Sacred sites like Spirit Mountain provide the physical space and foundation for connecting future generations. I know for me, I think about my grandchildren. You know, they're going to be able to be on Spirit Mountain and have this space and grow up in a way that they deserve. That's what Native Americans deserve. Right now, I just feel very emotional, and I recognize that our ancestors are smiling down on us. Even the rain is cleansing. It's a reminder for us. It's renewal. And I see our Creator right there shining down on us.